got a back to school haul, 2 bag fulls. Got weight. I really don't even remember what I got, bro. This really just like Christmas. What y'all think about this one, man? We got the cut off sleeves with the. I might cut the bottom off and make this a little more, feel me? Just a simple little wash, little brown shirt. When you get to college, you're gonna definitely need some throw on shirt. You just walk around in class, just go to class, make some quick little stops. Ooh. To be honest, bro, I really thought I wasn't gonna like this shirt. Yeah. Y'all might have to keep y'all girls in the crib this year. Get me right here. The back really do it. Don't ask me what the back say when you see me in person, because I'm not gonna know. I just rock it. It really was supposed to be a workout shirt, but shoot. Yeah, there's a cop too. Oh yeah. We 4-4. We 4-4 like Wendy's, boy. Got clothes. It's crazy right here. Real cover at the bottom. Real side, they can cut off sleeves too. Yeah, this a 5 for 5, man. This a biggie bag right here. No, I like to eat. This another little plain tee, man. Just gray plain tee. Just a little throw on to wear to class. When you come to college, bro, you definitely gonna need some little throw on clothes to just wear to class. Wear to the little cafeteria, fried chicken Tuesday. No, I go to A&M to the fried chicken Tuesday. Smooth little, you know what I'm saying? Got another little real simple little shirt, bro. Nothing on it. This one cool. It's always something to walk around and go do real quick in college. So thin too, breathable. Cause it's definitely be hot in Alabama, boy. Get cold too though. So now I bought a couple sets. I never wear sets together. Really a boxing set. That's crazy, but I'm finna wear it like that. You know what I'm saying? Drippy, drippy. But these shorts so little. These shorts so little. This another set. This the top to the set. I really just bought it for the top, but I don't know if y'all can tell the material by the shorts, but the shirt the same material. I don't think I'm gonna like these. Yeah, I never wear these together. I don't really like the shorts for real. Like I say, stay tuned for the end of the video because I'm gonna show y'all like a little walk through a Norman Hills apartment. And these look good right here. Then the bottom on, ooh my. So look, crazy thing about these jeans, I planned on buying a shirt. Like it told me I was gonna get a shirt, but I ended up getting jeans. Same jeans, bro. There ain't nothing I wouldn't keep. So then I got these net jeans. These net jeans I made, bro. I literally handmade these jeans. Look how long these jeans is for. Mind you, I'm 6'2". I gotta get back. Hold on. Let y'all see the full jeans. I'm 6'2". These jeans taller than me, bro. If y'all want me to try these on, comment below. I really might make another video where I show y'all how to make some jeans. Let me know, man. Just comment below what y'all think. I don't know about these. Did I put these on backwards? I kind of like these, for real. I might want to a little fashion show. I was gonna put y'all a little fit together, but go follow me on Instagram, man. I might see these on there. Yeah, I might see a picture of these. These crazy. These are big ass pants. I'm talking super big. I ain't never think I wear no pants this big. Exaggerated, oversized, 3/4 arm length. I like it, man. See, this one even crazier. It's more like a little, it's like French terry material, man. I like they real plain. See, I like all these shirts, but I ain't missed yet. And I might have to take y'all on tour. Shopping told me. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's like a boxy fit shirt. Size medium. Same thing, bro. I don't know. So the front shorter than the back. That's interesting. Got the real bottom with the real collar, with the stitching, rolled up sleeves. So then I got these. I ain't think I like these. They like some little leather or something, I don't know. Flare at the bottom. These great. Then we got these shorts. These shorts decent. What's in my pocket? Lint. I got so much lint in my pocket. Mean I'm gonna give me some money. But yeah, the details on these shorts, little stress around the pocket. Got another little plain, little oversized tee. It's something to wear. Oh my. But as far as back to school, fool, it's gonna cost you some money. Look how long these receipts here, bro. Look at all these receipts, fool. It gonna cost you some money to come to school, especially if you stand in Norman Hills. You gotta get your pies, you gotta get your pans, you gotta get your plates, you gotta get your forks. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all around the room, man. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. So when you first come in the door, you got the living room, a little storage closet. This is my roommate's stuff right here. It already comes furnished, so you really just gotta get your pots, pans, and plates. This chair right here actually is supposed to be in my room. This is my other roommate's stuff, so I recommend you get a air fryer. You're gonna need a trash can. I recommend y'all get an air fryer for sure though. And then they got the electric stove. Right, here go our cabinet. The cabinet really a nice size. Got food. It's deep on both sides. After the kitchen, then you got you can control your own air. So here go my room right here. This the B room. Here go my desk. Come around and give you a dresser. Here go the closet. Closet really a nice size closet, walk-in closet. It didn't come with this mirror. I had to get my own mirror. This also my own chair too. So if y'all want a comfortable chair, y'all had to get y'all own chair. Then another storage closet. And this is my bathroom since I got the B room. I'm not no decorative guy. Then he got his own bathroom in his room. Make sure y'all get a mattress topper. That's gonna make your bed solid. These beds kind of hard too. It's pretty high off the floor, so you can put any extra stuff under your beds. Good sleep, satin pillowcases, definitely recommend. I'll show y'all the Juice Jam preview. That video gonna be coming up next. And for y'all who don't know what a Juice Jam is, it's basically like a whole bunch of D9 oils come together and have like punch, whatever they little special drink is. People got real drunk, man. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss that video, man. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.
I started on Saturday. Damn.
Hella flavor, hella hole.
Yeah. Having enough for real? That boy tripping.